Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to delete Telegram account permanently. So first thing what you will do is open up the Telegram application, and after that just simply tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here just simply go ahead and go to the settings, and after that just simply scroll down. And now over here you should be able to see Telegram FAQ. So tap on that. And from here, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here your account. And now from here, you should be able to see delete your Telegram account. So just simply tap on that, delete your Telegram account. And now from here, if we scroll down a little bit, you should be able to see here, how do I delete my account? And you should be able to see here the activation page. So tap on that, the activation page, and it will redirect you to this page, and just simply provide your phone number over here, guys. And after that, just simply tap on next. And now, guys, remember that it will not send it via SMS, it will send it via Telegram. So just simply tap on the arrow pointing downward on the top right over here. And now from here, just simply go back to the top left. And now you should be able to see the Telegram, and just simply copy the code. So I'm going to select it and copy. And now just simply go to the bottom right corner of the screen, the arrow pointing up. And now just simply provide the confirmation code over here and tap on sign in. And once you have signed in, guys, as you can see, you will have here a warning that everything will be deleted. And from here, you will have a survey why you are leaving. And after that, you can just simply tap on delete my account. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.